So while your maximum capacity of the air that you take in on inhalation is in the back and lower part of the lung, the part you don't want to lose, the emphasis is really on the upper part of the chest also. This ability to move the breath in the upper part of the chest is increased by back bends and by pranayama practice. So what you call deep breath has to be understood. What is it you want the deep breathing for? If you want the deep breathing to be for maximum capacity of the breath that you take in, if that is your intention, your definition of a deep breath or a complete breath, that breath should go in the lower part of the body, in the back of the lungs. And it is better done in forward bends rather than back bends. But if by deep breath you mean completing the breath in the uppermost clavicle area of the lungs, that can be best done in back bends. There is one posture which is emphasized a lot in Iyengar system, which gives ability to do both. Not completely, but if you want to maximize the breath in the lower part of the body, at the same time open the upper chest, it is done in Adho Mukha Svanasana. And to understand that more completely, after understanding the theory of it, you would do Adho Mukha Svanasana with your head supported, unless your head easily reaches the floor. That support of the head is not done on the forehead. You want to adjust the head position so that you are more in Shirshasana kind of action. The next best posture, next to Adho Mukha Svanasana, to experience opening of the breath in the lower part as well as in the clavicle area,